Winter Wonders is up and running now at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington, and the RBG's Chief Operating Officer, Kim Viney, joins us with more. This is such a magical thing to see and such a great excuse to just get outside at night and enjoy the winter.
Exactly, and it's such a fun family thing to do. Kids love it. Older grandparents bringing kids love it. So it's just it's a great date night too, quite frankly.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so lots of opportunity. It runs Thursday through Sunday, right through to January the 7th. And it just feels like a magical holiday experience.
Okay, so the experience starts in the RBG Centre itself.
It does.
On Plains Road.
That's right. So it is beautifully decorated with poinsettias. Our breezeway is an absolutely stunning spot if you want to do a family photo. The Botanical Train, of course, which appeals to all ages. So multi-level train set. And then we welcome you into the atrium space where you can pick up a nice hot drink, hot chocolate, or something a little stronger if you choose.
Yes.
The whole garden is licensed, so you can take your drink with you as you wander the 1.5 kilometer path that's beautifully lit.
And this event, it just keeps growing and growing every year. What's new this year?
Yeah, so we've added these sort of lantern features, so they actually cast this beautiful sort of shadow pattern on the pathways. And it's just this sort of magical experience as you enter this little sort of cathedral in the woods. So that was a new experience for this year. We've also added 3 snow domes. So we've set them up with winter vignettes inside this. They look like little
snow globes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's really fun. And we've got a selfie spot right beside those as well.
Okay. And this is just, you buy your ticket and then you just wander as you like,
exactly,
right? Spend as much time there as you want.
Exactly. And we've got fire pits. We have Muskoka chairs with fire pits. So if you want to sit and take a moment just to enjoy your time with some friends or family, again, with a nice hot drink is special. And we also have our rose tent is heated, and we're showing some old-time movies in the rose tent. So you can,
lovely.
Yeah, just sit with your family if you want just a little relaxing spot too.
Okay, so I imagine it starts when it gets dark?
Yes, it's 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And as I said, Thursday nights to Sunday nights. The only nights we're not running is right through Christmas itself. And it's just tickets are available online. So we're time ticketing just to make sure everybody has a great experience.
Yes, yeah.
And just grab your tickets online and come join us.
Okay, and for members like myself,
yes,
it's half off.
It's half off, that's right. So it's normally $20 for adults, $16 for children. 2 and under are free, and then for members it's a $10 ticket.
Okay, and you have a special incentive to bring viewers in from outside of Burlington and Hamilton.
Yeah, for the first time we've partnered with Metrolinx. So on Saturday nights we have a combo ticket that includes your Metrolinx Go ticket, your ticket to Winter Wonders, and then Saturday nights we're picking up at the Aldershot station with a shuttle bus and bringing you to RBG Centre.
Oh, very cool. How many times have you seen Winter Wonders? How many times have you and each time do you see something different?
Absolutely. And it's especially fun. We have what's called the singing tree, so it actually responds to people singing carols. So the lights interact with your voice. So it's really fun when you see families gathered around that tree and watch them interact with that special feature.
What a beautiful new tradition to start,
yes,
maybe, right?
Definitely, absolutely.
Okay. Winter Wonders at Royal Botanical Gardens. Kim, thanks so much for coming in. I've got to get there.
Yes, please do.
Soon. Okay, we'll get the link up at our website, chch.com/morninglive.